Hey fans, discover a world of innovation and transformation as we delve into the realm of emerging gadgets that are reshaping industries and changing lives. Introducing the AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set, your go-to solution for easy and precise markings. With just one swipe, you can mark wood, plastic, metal, and more with clarity. The set includes black and white ink, both perfect for rough surfaces. And if needed, you can easily erase the marks with a magic eraser or remove them with denatured alcohol. This practical set is available for $37. The Ocoopa UT3pro hand warmers, versatile companions for both your office desk and mountain adventures. Priced at $43, these hand warmers can keep you cozy for up to 15 hours on a full battery, heating up to 58 degrees Celsius. With 4 heating levels to choose from, you can customize your warmth experience. Additionally, they double as a power bank, offering up to 3.5 smartphone charges. The design is reminiscent of a wireless mouse, with a pleasantly velvety surface. And rest assured, these hand warmers are built to last, with a solid construction that the seller claims will endure for centuries. Who needs Highlander's phone number when you've got these reliable companions? Introducing the ON lamp, a portable lighting solution as light as an ice cream cone and small enough to slip into your pocket. Its paper body folds up like origami and neatly tucks away into a wooden base. Whether you need a gentle night light, a cozy candlelight dinner setting, or some extra illumination for reading, the ON lamp has you covered. Just remember to recharge it, as a full battery will give you up to 5 hours of use. All this convenience comes at a price of $28. The typical person in the Czech Republic enjoys about 84 liters of beer each year. With this in mind, the innovators behind Draft Top Lift should definitely consider entering the Czech market. They provide a can opener designed to effortlessly remove the top of aluminum cans, making it hassle-free. You won't even need a plastic cup. Draft Top Lift is also designed to be user-friendly for left-handed individuals and can be easily carried in your pocket. All this fun and convenience comes at a price of $22. Sodium-ion batteries are poised to revolutionize battery technology, offering a promising alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. The first generation, boasting an energy density of around 160 /k, has been in mass production since December 2023. Anticipation is high for the second generation, expected in 2024, which aims to surpass an energy density of 200 /k. Companies like Chery are already embracing these batteries, particularly in budget electric vehicles, capitalizing on sodium's abundance and affordability. With cost-effective and environmentally sustainable benefits, coupled with impressive performance in cold temperatures and rapid charging capabilities, sodium-ion batteries present a compelling option. Despite challenges such as lower energy density and cycle life, Catl's sodium-ion batteries hold promise for diversifying and democratizing the battery landscape, encouraging ongoing exploration and development. Boston Dynamics Spot, the robot with some seriously cool abilities. It's equipped with 4 electric legs that allow it to traverse various surfaces, tackle stairs, and even open doors. With the help of cameras and sensors, Spot can navigate its environment, avoid obstacles, and operate autonomously. What's even cooler is that Spot is customizable. You can enhance its capabilities by adding features like thermal cameras for night inspections or robotic arms for specialized tasks. This versatility makes Spot incredibly useful for a range of applications, from checking out difficult-to-reach areas like construction sites or pipelines to enhancing safety and security measures. Spot isn't just a novelty, it's a valuable tool for researchers across disciplines. From robotics and science to archaeology, Spot is being used in various studies and experiments. And now that it's in mass production, it's clear that there's a lot of excitement surrounding its potential. While Spot is currently being tested by early adopters, it's poised to revolutionize many industries in the future. With its impressive capabilities and adaptability, Spot is paving the way for a new era of robotics. Nanoscribe, a German company that's been making waves since its establishment in 2007. They're experts in 3D nanofabrication, particularly known for their innovative use of two-photon polymerization, 2PP, technology. By harnessing focused lasers, they can create incredibly precise microstructures. Nanoscribe is renowned for its 3D printers and maskless lithography systems, which are used to produce a wide range of products with exceptional precision. From microfluidic devices to micromechanical components and microoptical elements, Nanoscribe's technology has applications across various fields. Their impact is felt far and wide, from revolutionizing drug discovery with microfluidics to advancing miniaturized sensors through micromechanics. Nanoscribe's influence extends to microphotonics, where they create ultra-small lenses for future communication and medical devices. Their innovative bioprinting applications are also making waves in regenerative medicine and drug testing. Key products include the Photonic Professional GT2, hailed as the world's highest resolution 3D printer, the Quantum X maskless lithography system, and Nanoscribe IP photoresins, specialized materials optimized for 2PP with diverse properties to suit different. Need a breather? Say hello to the Hallocool Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. This handy gadget is perfect for a quick cleanup whenever you've got a moment. It's designed to tackle pet hair, sand, crumbs, and all sorts of debris with ease. With up to 4 hours of runtime on a single charge, this little cleaner is not just efficient, but also adorable. Its compact size might even remind you of Wall-E, and the best part? It's only $15.